Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy Ryder back with another classic. Tonight, we the only ones at the porch. Look, ain't nobody up here, but we get into the money. Before we get started, like, subscribe, do what you need to do. Let's get it. What up, y'all? How's everybody doing this evening? Hope everybody's good. Missed y'all. Check it out. We gonna hustle today. We the only ones at this porch, so we should be in and out 10, 15 minutes. You seen how easy it was to come in, the process. Come in, stop, do your unlock your chassis pins, stick your TWIC card in the kiosk. They give you the block. You go over there, park. They grab your can, bring the other can, you out. It's that simple. It's a beautiful night tonight. You know, it finally stopped raining, y'all. I'm so happy it stopped raining. But you know, I love the porch. I love it. You know, I love it. This is easy. You know, easy work. You know, I'm not at a shipper getting unloaded for 3-4 hours. You know, when the ports get back cracking though, you might have to wait a little bit, but always make sure that if you're an hourly driver, it don't matter if you have to wait all day, you get paid hourly. If you get paid by the load or the move, make sure you get a company that offers load pay. Make sure you get a company that offers wait time. That simple. All right, y'all, so we got to go to block 1. The blocks here, Pier E, is super easy. All you got to do is look up there. That's block 3. Block 2. Boom, block 1. Find the empty lane with a green light. Park over there. Homeboy was trying to get his CRST, move out the way. I wasn't gonna mess this parking up because, you know, if you look, when you trying to park over here, it's funny because if you do anything wrong, you got to start all over. So all I do, I always take my time. That's why I teach you guys. When we back up, we take our time. Even if it takes 30 minutes, it don't matter. Just don't hit nothing. All right, y'all. Let's back up. Okay, almost. Oh. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I hate parking at the porch. I hate it. When you come into these blocks sometimes, it's difficult. But the key is straight back parking. You just take your time. And you be easy on the steering wheel and just guide it real easy. Are we good? Oh. I ain't even messed up this time, y'all. I'm taking my time. And we already unlocked our chassis pins, so we ain't got to do it again. Boom, just like that. All right, y'all. So now we just gotta get in the safe zone. That's what I call it, the safe zone. I guess this is supposed to protect us if something bad happened, but unfortunately, if one of these containers hit us, it ain't nothing we can do. Somebody broke a window. In and out, y'all. Luckily, it's not raining. You can see all the water in here from the rain. But we good to go. Get my can, homie. Oh, don't leave me, baby. Don't leave me. That's cold. They out of here. So we just gonna chill here until they come get us. And once they come get us, we up out of here. You know, we shouldn't be here no longer than 20 minutes. I love this type of stuff. I remember when I was running my own truck, loads like this, start in Rancho, grab empty, come out here to the ports, drop empty, grab a load, go to Rancho. 4 hours it'll take you. You make $600 in 4 hours. You'd be done for the day if you wanted to. You know, I'm waiting for them days to come back. Hopefully, those days come back soon so everybody can be back balling. You know, that's what I want to see. I want to see all my truck drivers out there balling, happy, smiling. I don't want to see no more angry truck drivers for the rest of the year, y'all. Look at her go, y'all. Job started. We got the green light. Get my container, bring my other. That's all we want. So I can go home. Now it's playing games with me, y'all. Oh, I was lying. Oh. Lying. I was lying. That's funny as hell. Now it's up there just chilling, still ain't dropped it. I forgot what my other damn container number was. It ain't that one. Just drop it anywhere. Grab my other one so I can go. Come on, baby. LVCT. Let's go. Alright. It's getting taken back there somewhere. We'll wait till our container gets here. Alright, y'all, check this out. You see how they backing that thing up like Juvenile? He coming in kind of fast. I don't know, for some reason, I get nervous coming in that fast. I gotta come like 5 miles an hour. Okay, super trucker, okay. You can tell he been driving for a while. Okay, we got some action, okay. We got action, y'all. Come on. Ooh, line it up, ooh. From my angle, it don't look like it's lined up, but what do I know? Look, see, I knew a little son. Oh, when that light come on, you know they're gonna drop it like it's hot. That's wild, y'all. Come on, any moment now. I hate when they do this. Wait like 5 minutes to drop down. That's called. It came down quick, y'all. Thing was tripping. Okay. I like that, y'all. Okay, we almost out of here. That's all the thing I care about right now. I'm getting up out of here. Hitting this highway. You know my favorite thing to do is to drive in these Southern California roads. Just like that, y'all, we out. Can we go? Can we go? Do you get the light? Can we get the light? I think it's pretty safe for us to go. What y'all think? We out of here. We are out of here. Listen, I've been here like 30 minutes. We good to go. Lock these chassis pins. Then it's a wrap, y'all. It's a wrap. I like to lock my chassis pins right here, so I ain't gotta make no extra stops, and I can just head out. We did it, we made it. We finna get up out of here now. Before we leave, always check them bit dates to make sure everything is accurate. Because once you get to roadability, they will turn you around and they won't let you leave the ports. If there's an issue with your chassis and you got a bad chassis, you're gonna have a bad day because you ain't leaving these ports until that problem is taken care of. But it's all good, y'all. We had a beautiful time at these ports. You know what I'm finna do. I'm finna get out these ports. There go my baby up there, that bridge. I love that bridge right there, y'all. You know the most scariest bridge I've been on in a truck is that bridge in San Francisco, the Golden Gate. Man, I did not like being inside a big truck on that bridge back in the day. That was no joke. And it was rush hour traffic too. This bridge ain't that bad, and I'm not afraid of heights. But for some reason, that bridge, rush hour traffic, is not the business at all. Real simple. This is one of the easiest ports. This is one of the easiest ports. Now, Evergreen, it's kind of hectic. APL, I don't really like it. TTI and Maersk, Trade Pack, PCT, those are pretty easy. You know, once you go through the hard ports, you'll be able to survive coming to the ports all the time with no issues. Roadability. These guys really don't care here. You see him, he got his head down, probably asleep. I'll tell him what he on. Let him take his little nap, get his beauty sleep. We up out of here. Look at all them vessels. I like making port videos because, you know, it's people that's not into trucking that watch my stuff. They wouldn't even know stuff like this exists, you know, and they get to enjoy being here with me, watching the content. Always drive slow. I'm gonna tell y'all that every video. Look at the war marks from the truck drivers. That's the guys that want to be super truckers. I got kind of close to that. I gotta calm down. Alright, we good to go. Not easy, y'all. Then we get in one of these lanes. And we out. Please start. Ooh, scan this. We out. Y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all know what to do. I'm out.